There. So today I'm going to share an awesome tool developed by WordPress. It's called WordPress Studio. So what is exactly WordPress Studio? WordPress Studio is a tool that will allow you to develop your WordPress website in localhost. That means in a local machine. So lots of you are familiar with local WP, RAM, or MEM, or other tools that might be similar. So this is the similar tools, but this is having lots of the extra functionality that is only available on this software, and it's dedicatedly for the WordPress development and made by WordPress itself. That's why it's very attractive compared to other. So let's see why it's different to other and why you should use this instead of the other tool. So at first, let's see how you can install this. So you can go to developer.wordpress.com/studio and then download for your operating system. Or if you prefer to download using CLI tool or using Brio, then you can go back to Brio and use this command line tool. Just if you copy this and paste on your terminal, then it will install. If you are not familiar with Brio or don't know how to install Brio, then you can go back to the Brio homepage. So Brio.sh, you will see this is the command you should use to install Homebrew. You can install on your Mac operating system, even it also supports Linux. So you can install on both operating system, then you can use this one. So I have already installed. So let's see. At first, I'm going to open Studio, and this is very minimal and looks very clean. So here is the website I have already created. So here is some things that I would like to describe. So if you are familiar with local WP, you see there have no option, like you cannot by default going to customizer or menus or widget from there. So if you click to widgets, it will log in you to the website and move it to the widgets page. This is not available on the local WP, but you can have it. So you can go to menus, customizer, or however you prefer. You can also open this using VS Code and terminal and also Finder. So if you click to Finder, it will open the exact directory of your this website. And here is the WP admin and open site option. So if you click to WP admin, it will log in you to the WordPress installation and let you to manage the dashboard things from there. There is the open site, that means it will redirect you to the root domain. And here is the special things that is very different compared to other. So you can share the website with other, and this live URL will be available for next 7 days, and this will be hosted on wordpress.com. So if you already use the live link from local WP, you see sometimes it's having issue to access from the different computer. So this is not going to happen this time. So for this, you will have to log into your wordpress.com account. So click here, it will let you to approve. So after it will approve, you will get something like this. So let's do the ninja form. So if you click to add demo site, it will take some times. It will upload the new changes. It could be on database, it could be on your website folder, like you might be have like 10 posts, 20 images or something like that. So it will be uploaded to wordpress.com hosting, and then it will process or give you the live URL, so you can share with anyone, and the link will be available for next 7 days. And in the meantime, you can also extend the date. So it can take few moments, and it totally depends on your internet speed. So let's wait. So we are almost done. The process is almost ready, and we already got the URL. So we can just visit this URL to check if this thing is working or not. So let's wait for a moment. So ensure this is the process is all done. So let's visit the URL. Homepage. Okay, we might not. Okay, this is fine. So it's working properly. So on the sample page, this is a sample page and this is the sample page. So this is how it's work. So you can share this URL so anyone from anywhere they can check this website. So after you build the website, you can share with your client that I have built your website. You can now check and leave a review. So you can make some changes if there need any revision. So let's check other things. Another interesting part is you can change the PHP version without downloading. So if you remember, when you are using local WP and going to change the PHP version, it's always asks you to download the version. So it could be like 10 megabyte or 20 or even 80, 60 megabyte. But when you are using Studio, you can easily switch the PHP version from there. You can just click to save and the process is taking just a few seconds. But for the local WP, it's taking a bit more time. So you see everything is working perfectly. And whenever you are going to delete website, it's very faster. And even when you are going to stop server, just it take a millisecond, something like this. And start, boom, it's started. So it's very fast compared to local WP, and I love it. So whenever you are building your next website, will you consider WordPress Studio? Let me know in the comment section. So another thing is for adding a website or delete a website. So let's create a website very first. So it could be like Sandbox. So here is the advanced settings. So you can see where the file going to be hosted or on your local machine. So click to add website. If you have a stopwatch, you can see it's take like 9-10 seconds. Okay, we are done. We are ready to go. And let's see how we can delete a website. So stop, go to settings, go to delete site. Okay, we'll also like to delete the files from my local machine. Boom, it's deleted. So this is very fast. I hope you will also love it. So just go back, download, install and start using it. And if you have any suggestion, just let me know. I will take care of it. Thank you so much.